We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the Bullshit Button, the official hilarious BS button with sound effects and flashing light. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Bullshit Button, available from the Gemmy store, is a novelty item designed to call out nonsense in a fun and unmistakable way. This product features a large, red button that, when pressed, triggers one of 5 pre-recorded comical phrases accompanied by loud sound effects and a flashing light. The phrases include lines such as "That was BS," "Bullshit alert," and "Bullshit level DEFCON 5, L," among others. The inclusion of a wailing siren, buzz sound, and the visual impact of the flashing light ensures that the message is delivered with maximum effect, making it impossible for anyone in the room to ignore. The Bullshit Button is marketed as the perfect gag gift for friends, family, and co-workers, and is especially popular for occasions like birthdays, white elephant parties, and holiday gift exchanges. It comes ready to use right out of the box with 2 AAA batteries included, so there is no need for additional purchases or setup. The product dimensions are 5 inches by 5 inches by 2 inches, and it weighs just 2.4 ounces, making it compact and portable enough to bring to the office, a party, or any social gathering. The button is recommended for users aged 3 years and up, though its humor is clearly targeted toward teens and adults who appreciate a good joke or a playful jab at everyday nonsense. With a bestsellers rank of number 6,059 in toys and games and number 42 in gags and practical joke toys, the Bullshit Button has established itself as a favorite among novelty gift buyers. It boasts a strong customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, based on over 9,500 reviews, indicating widespread satisfaction with the product's performance and entertainment value. Users consistently praise the Bullshit Button for its fun factor and quality construction. Many have purchased it as an office joke or as a lighthearted way to break the ice during meetings. According to user feedback, the button is a hit at parties and in workplace settings, often becoming the centerpiece of group laughter and playful banter. Several reviewers mentioned that the button's loud and clear audio, combined with the flashing light, makes it highly effective at drawing attention and delivering its message. The humor is described as universal, appealing to those who enjoy a bit of sarcasm or want to inject some levity into otherwise serious environments. One reviewer recounts buying the Bullshit Button for office use, stating that it does the trick and brings plenty of laughs. Another notes that it was the hit of the party when given to co-workers, highlighting its effectiveness as a memorable and appreciated gift. Some users even found the button to be educational in a tongue-in-cheek way, inspiring creativity and prompting discussions about what constitutes BS in various contexts. The Bullshit Button has also inspired a niche community of tinkerers and DIY enthusiasts. One particularly detailed review describes a project in which the user swapped the internal components of a Staples Easy button with those of the Bullshit Button, creating a custom device that combined the familiar look of the Easy button with the hilarious audio of the Bullshit Button. This level of modifiability adds another layer of appeal for those who enjoy hands-on projects and customization, and the product's straightforward internal wiring makes such modifications accessible to those with basic soldering skills. In terms of usability, the Bullshit Button is extremely simple to operate. There are no complicated controls or settings. Users simply press the button to activate a random phrase. The batteries are easy to replace, and the product's sturdy build ensures that it can withstand frequent use. The button's large size and prominent design make it easy to spot on a desk or table, and its bright red color ensures it stands out in any environment. The sound effects are intentionally loud, which is a plus for most users who want to make a statement, but it may be a drawback for those in quieter or more formal settings. While the vast majority of reviews are positive, there are a few minor criticisms to note. Some users mention that the humor may not be suitable for all audiences, particularly in workplaces with strict decorum or among individuals who may be easily offended by the use of the word bullshit. One reviewer humorously notes that their mother-in-law was offended by the button, suggesting that it is best used among those who appreciate irreverent humor. Others mention that the novelty can wear off after repeated use, though this is a common characteristic of gag gifts in general. A few users would have preferred a greater variety of phrases or the ability to record custom messages, but the 5 included sayings are generally considered sufficient for most purposes. The build quality of the Bullshit Button is frequently cited as a positive aspect. Despite its low price point and novelty status, the button feels solid and durable. The battery compartment is secure and the electronics are well protected within the casing. The flashing light is bright enough to be seen in daylight, and the sound output is clear and free of distortion. The button's tactile feedback is satisfying, providing a noticeable click when pressed, which adds to the overall user experience. The Bullshit Buttons packaging is straightforward and functional, with clear instructions and all necessary components included. The fact that it comes with batteries is a significant convenience, allowing users to start using it immediately upon opening the box. This attention to detail is appreciated by buyers who want a hassle-free experience, especially when purchasing the button as a last-minute gift. In terms of value for money, the Bullshit Button is widely regarded as an excellent purchase. Its combination of humor, ease of use, and reliable performance makes it a standout choice among gag gifts. The price is reasonable given the product's quality and the entertainment it provides, and its popularity on major retail platforms attests to its broad appeal. For those seeking a unique and memorable gift that is sure to generate laughs, the Bullshit Button is a proven winner. The Bullshit Button also serves as a conversation starter, helping to break the ice in new groups or lighten the mood during tense moments. Its use is not limited to offices or parties. Some users report keeping one at home for family gatherings or as a playful prop during the game nights. The button's universal design and straightforward operation make it accessible to users of all ages, though its language is best suited for older teens and adults. The Bullshit Button's ability to inject humor into everyday situations is one of its greatest strengths. In environments where stress and seriousness can dominate, a well-timed press of the button can provide much-needed comic relief. This makes it especially valuable in high-pressure workplaces or among teams that appreciate a bit of irreverence. The button's popularity as a white elephant gift or stocking stuffer further underscores its versatility and appeal. For those interested in customization, the Bullshit Button's internal design allows for creative modifications. As described in user reviews, it is possible to swap out the audio board or integrate the button into other novelty devices with some basic technical know-how. This opens up possibilities for tech enthusiasts and DIYers who want to put their own spin on the product. The community of users who share their modification projects online adds to the product's cult following and demonstrates its potential beyond its original purpose. In summary, the Bullshit Button, the official Hilarious BS button with sound effects and flashing light, is a standout novelty item that delivers on its promise of fun and laughter. Its combination of loud, clear audio, bright flashing light, and comical phrases makes it an effective tool for calling out nonsense in any setting. The button's ease of use, quality construction, and included batteries make it a convenient and reliable choice for gift givers and pranksters alike. While its humor may not be suitable for all audiences, it is generally well received among those who appreciate a bit of playful irreverence. The ability to customize and modify the button adds another layer of appeal for tech-savvy users. With thousands of positive reviews and a strong reputation as a party and office favorite, the Bullshit Button is a proven hit among novelty gift buyers. If you are looking for a unique, memorable, and entertaining gift, the Bullshit Button is an excellent choice. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you have experience with the Bullshit Button, please leave your own review in the comments to help others decide if this is the right product for them.